We begin with the Dakota News Now update. State lawmakers moving to amend the impeachment resolution against South Dakota Attorney General Jason Ravnsborg to allow for due process.
House Speaker Spencer Gosch released a statement just a couple of hours ago announcing this amendment. If approved tomorrow by the House State Affairs Committee, impeachment proceedings would be halted until after Ravnsborg's criminal case. Ravnsborg is currently facing 3 misdemeanor charges after hitting and killing Joe Beaver with his car back in September. The court case could take months, meaning the legislature would need to reconvene later this year if they want to move forward with impeachment. That would require a 2/3 majority approval from both chambers.
Let's get to Austin Goss live at the state capitol with an interview from the man who introduced this amendment. Austin.
Good evening, guys. That's right. I'm standing by here with the Speaker of the House, Spencer Gosch, who just reintroduced this amendment to the impeachment articles, which would push it off until after the criminal case. But let's hear it from him himself. Speaker, can you walk me through a little bit what this new amendment would do for the impeachment trial?
Yeah, so last week we were issued an order by Judge Brown from the Sixth Circuit Court that requested that members of state government no longer release evidence pertaining the case between the state v. Jason Ravnsborg. As you know, our proceedings are extremely public, and it's my intention to keep them public, fair, and transparent. So because of that release, we have decided to wait until the court system has had its time to do its due diligence.
Some members of your caucus are obviously very eager to proceed with this impeachment and don't want to wait until any criminal proceedings go forward, including the sponsor of the amendment seems very eager to see this go forward. What would be your response to members of your caucus who are anxious to see this go forward and disagree with this decision to wait till criminal charges are pursued?
You know, we've had these conversations with our caucus, and I feel very confident that everybody feels that this is the right path. We don't need to necessarily think of it as a delay as much as an opportunity to allow the judicial system to do its job correctly before we decide to interfere. The Constitution is pretty clear as to what impeachment proceedings would allow, or how to start to engage impeachment proceedings. One of the stipulations is a misdemeanor. So a verdict on the misdemeanor charges would actually be more beneficial to an impeachment proceeding.
And just real quick before I let you go here, there's been some rumors that these videos may have affected this impeachment trial, you know, the release of these videos by the governor's office and by DPS. What would you say to that?
Well, I mean, obviously the judge order stipulates a little bit towards that. It has been my communication with my members of the House in particular, both sides, Democrat and Republican, to do their best to try to stay objective in this proceeding so that we can do the fair, transparent, and right thing.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. We will be following these articles as they go through the House State Affairs tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock a.m. Stay tuned here for coverage. I'm going to kick it back to you guys. In Pierre, Austin Goss, Dakota News Now.
Austin, thank you.